Hi, this is Hillary from Blue, and let's check out Yeti. Yeti is a multi-pattern USB microphone. As a plug-and-play USB microphone, it connects directly to the USB port on your laptop or desktop computer, and without having to download any other software, will work with your favorite recording program, whether you're recording to GarageBand or Audacity, podcasting, dictation, or even Skype. Yeti features 3 condenser capsules. A condenser capsule delivers that rich, detailed audio you typically find in studio recordings. As a multi-pattern microphone, Yeti offers 4 polar pattern options, or directions in which the mic will pick up sound. Yeti will record in cardioid, which is directionally to the front, great for instruments or single-person podcasts. Yeti will also record in omnidirectional, which is 360 degrees around the mic. This is great for band practice, a chorus, or multi-person podcast. Yeti will also record in stereo, which is right and left. This is great for instrument recording to get your right and left separation, or for voice and vocals, it gives you an open, natural room sound. And last, Yeti will record in figure of 8 or bidirectional, which just means front and back. This is great for duets or interviews. Yeti features some studio controls directly on the mic. On the back, above your polar pattern selection, you have analog gain control, which allows you to adjust the sensitivity of the microphone. You can also plug headphones directly into Yeti for zero latency direct monitoring, which is great for multi-tracking or just being able to hear exactly what you're recording without any echo or delay. Yeti features headphone volume on the front, as well as a mute button, in case you have to sneeze in the middle of a podcast. Yeti comes with this desktop stand, but also has a standard thread for connecting to a traditional mic stand, or the Radius, which is Yeti's custom shock mount sold separately.
What's up, everyone? Ron here, and today we'll be talking about the Rockville RCM02 Pro Studio Recording Condenser Microphone. We started recording a part of this video on the RCM02 mic, and the quality sounded so good that we decided to record the entire video on it. It actually even sounds better than the professional Rode microphone that we normally use for our videos. This model is similar to RCM01, however, it's made of aluminum and the frame is slightly larger. We highly recommend this design. We also upgraded this model to a high-end metal anti-wind cap. This multi-purpose mic is designed for crystal clear capturing of vocals, acoustic, and amplified instruments, as well as room reverb. The frequency pickup pattern makes the RCM02 amazing in studio applications. The aluminum construction makes the RCM02 tough enough for live sound applications as well. With multiple connection options, this mic can be used in a lot of different ways. You can connect this to the phantom power of your mixer, or you can connect it directly to your computer sound card. We include both cables. We included a cable to connect it to your mixer, as well as a cable to connect the mic to your computer. This microphone has a large diaphragm, which is what enables our mic to deliver a wider range of high and low frequencies than our competitors. Our frequency range is tested at 30 Hz to 20 kHz. The mic sounds crystal clear with no distortion. We only use top components that undergo extreme testing by our very own audio engineers. After testing our Rockville condenser mics against mics that cost 300% more, we found ours to be as good or even better than the ones we tested against. Be sure to subscribe and like this video for future updates on our amazing audio lineup. We also offer same-day shipping on orders paid in full by 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. To get your hands on your very own RCM02, just click the links below.